Beyond Meat, Beyond Burger, plant-based patty review because you're better than other people.
Silly reviews.
Ryan here, Silly Reviews. We're going to review something kind of fancy. And speaking of fancy, I even paid a cameraman for the first time. How do you like that?
Whoa, wait a minute. I'm getting paid here?
Don't worry about that. What we're going to review today, not the pizza, not the lasagna, the takeout food. We're not going to go back to Thanksgiving. We're not going to go in here. I've got pounds and pounds of salmon. We've got ham from Honey Baked Ham Company, turkey. I care about animals, so I don't eat that kind of stuff. Beyond Meat, Beyond Burgers. We've got 2 quarter-pound patties right here. And if you've always wondered, does it taste anything like meat? We're going to find out. Come on and bring it on in here. Let's talk about how it's got 20 grams of a plant protein per serving without having soy or gluten. How did they pull that off? We'll look at the ingredients.
The ingredients in a quarter-pound Beyond Burger patty include water, pea protein isolate, expeller pressed canola oil, refined coconut oil, rice protein, natural flavors, cocoa butter, mung bean protein, methyl cellulose, potato starch. 22 seconds, I can't even finish. Is this good for you? Good for the earth?
Let's go ahead and cut this open. I've got a hot pan right here. I'm not going to add butter. I'm not going to add non-stick spray. We're going to go with a naked patty on here. Then we're going to have a blind taste test to figure out if somebody who's never had this before but loves meat, loves a burger, can they tell the difference? That's a key point. So while I open this up, I will tell you I got this from Walmart. $4.84. But using
iBotta.
I paid less than $1 for these. Now, if you want to find out how I did that, use the link in the description.
Use my link
If you
in
have
the
any
description.
questions, leave them in the comments. I'll help you get some rebates. We're going to open this up. I'm going to give it a sniff.
Sniff?
And I'll give it a whiff.
Whiff?
Before we put it on a hot pan, okay? So I'll tell you right off the bat, this doesn't smell like a hamburger. This doesn't smell like 80%, 20%. This doesn't taste like, smell like 93%. It smells like a whole bunch of vegetables is what it smells like. And again, that main ingredient in here is pea protein. Let's go ahead. Let's just pop one right on the hot skillet. We'll get it cooking. We'll come back. We'll do that blind taste test. If you want to get a close-up on how that patty looks, I'm colorblind, but I don't know if the color is the pinkness of meat. It's got chunks of God knows what on there.
And it feels weird.
Let's go ahead and pop it on the skillet. Get a real nice sizzle on there. Again, we're not using butter. We're not going to put non-stick spray, no canola oil, anything like that. We're going to come back in about 5 minutes. We're going to flip it.
Flip it.
Then we're going to head to the table, do the blind taste test, find out what Beyond Meat, Beyond Burger is all about. All right, so we're about 3 minutes in here. And I'll tell you what, I was wondering where a little bit of this liquid was coming out of. There is fat content in here, but again, it's not animal fat. They're getting the fat. The main ingredient would be from coconut oil. Coconut oil has a very low flash point. And let me show you how obvious that low flash point is. That mother is burning. It doesn't smell like meat. It doesn't look like meat. It's not cooking like meat. We're going to go ahead and let this cook through for another 3-4 minutes. Then we're going to plate it up and have that blind taste test. But I'll tell you what, already, these thumbs, they're looking... Okay, just like the instructions tell you, 4 minutes on each side on a hot skillet, fully thawed, that's what it was. We're going to go ahead. We're going to take this on over. We're going to put it on the plate. Then we're going to have this blind taste test to see if the Beyond Meat, Beyond Burger can be recognized by somebody who's never had one before. So here we go. Can someone who's never had a Beyond Meat, Beyond Burger tell the difference? Blind taste test. I'll tell you what, right now it does not smell like a burger, a beef burger at all. But I'm going to cut a small piece we're going to taste it, and I'll give you my honest opinion. I will let you know if I can figure out if this is a real burger or if this is a plant-based burger. Here we go, coming in. Oh, I got a piece of gum in. Hold on. So texture. Texture-wise, it feels like balls of rubber. Flavor-wise, this does not taste like a burger at all. Not a beef burger, not a turkey burger, not a chicken burger. We're going to go ahead, we're going to take one more taste of the Beyond Meat, Beyond Burger. And we're going to find out what the verdict is. No, that's terrible. That's really terrible. I don't like this at all. That's not a real burger. Let's see if I'm right. That is a Beyond Burger. That's not a real beef burger. Blind taste test. I can tell the difference. I don't like this at all. Ryan here, Silly Reviews. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs down. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. We're going to go ahead and put that in the trash. Dude, this is bad, dude. This is real bad. Little something, little footage.
If you find this video entertaining or helpful, use the super thanks button. That's how it looks on your mobile device. And this is what super thanks looks like on your desktop or your laptop. Ryan here.
Silly Reviews. Silly Reviews.